thought about what you want to do after high school?
Do you want to do something that interests you?
We did, and we loved it.
The program is called Specialist High Skills Major. Most high schools have it.
It allows you to get involved with skills and experience that are related to your field of interest.
Here's how to get started.
First, you need to make sure you have all the requirements to get your high school diploma.
And pick one of the specialist high school majors offered in your high school.
Also, employers want people with experience, the right attitude, and can relate to the field.
We also have some amazing and dedicated teachers who work hard to make sure you have great opportunities through this program.
This will set you apart from other students. In fact, you will graduate with a Red Seal diploma that demonstrates your specialized education.
A symbol that lets post-secondary institutions and employers know that you have the knowledge, skills, and industry qualifications related to the specific field.
Well, for the health and wellness SHSM, it's great because we have a bundle of credits that we can choose our courses from.
So if you want to specialize in a certain program after high school, such as kinesiology, you have certain courses that you want to pick from this program, and that'll get you prepared for your post-secondary education.
The SHSM program, specifically for me theater, is tied into my business course through a CLA, which my teacher gives me. All the kids in the class have to draw up a business plan, but me specifically, I'm drawing up a business plan for a Canadian theater company.
This program has given me certifications that are industry recognized. I can put it on my resume.
There are 6 certifications that I've gained within the SHSM program. This would be a WMIS training,
first aid and CPR training, also
customer service, young employee safety, chemical hazards.
And it just sets me apart from my other competitors.
As part of my SHSM Health and Wellness program, I did my experiential learning at the Hospital for Sick Children in Toronto. I got to see how a hospital works firsthand, and my experience led me decide that I want to go into the field of medicine someday.
So my Reach Ahead experience was a 3-day workshop at a post-secondary institution. It was run by senior students, and during the 3 days we were taught aspects of the course and how it would have been like if we actually took the course there.
In my sports SHSM program, we use the Ontario Skills Passport to learn and track essential skills we will require for jobs in the sports industry, such as a coach or a trainer, and jobs just related to the program.
My mom told me I'd be good in hospitality or tourism, and I really like food. I hope they give me a good tip. So I get to tell people about great vacations while I'm left daydreaming in this office. This pan is heavy. I can't show my fear. Now what to do? Now, helping people eat right, I kind of enjoy this.
Your pathway, your choice. Explore SHSM.
I didn't always know how to do this. It takes attention to detail, precision. It's all about execution. I started at Niagara College. Their academic programs, small class sizes, and hands-on instruction really helped me follow my dreams. Graduating from the culinary management program, as well as completing my business degree, I was able to land my dream job in Hawaii as a food and beverage manager. Since then, I moved back home to Niagara, where I continue to explore my passion as an executive chef of a local winery. In my line of work, it's all about combining the right ingredients at the right time. What they taught me there is what I'm serving here.
First-year students in the MD program at the University of Toronto are being given an opportunity to learn about nutrition for themselves and their future patients. This exciting initiative was developed by the Centre for Child Nutrition and Health in partnership with the Departments of Nutritional Sciences, Pediatrics, and Family and Community Medicine.
I'm very excited that here at Toronto we're getting this experience so early on in our education.
And being able to see the same challenges that patients face when they're comparing one ingredient list with another one. It's not an easy thing to navigate. And being able to see how difficult it is for ourselves here, we're able to more likely translate and impart this knowledge to our patients and provide them with confidence and empowerment to make decisions on a daily basis.
A lot of times physicians deal sort of with the patient that's present in the clinic in front of them, but sometimes we forget or we fail to see sort of the factors that influence the patient before he or she arrives in our clinic. And so nutrition plays a big role and a big component in that, so does exercise. And I really think this activity emphasizes the importance of both of those different aspects of preventive care.
We have to come from a place of knowledge and experience, and I think that gives you that much more validity as a physician when you know what you're talking about and you've actually tried some of these techniques in your own life.
If you've ever dreamed of working in a 5-star hotel, or maybe owning your own restaurant, pub, or bistro, or maybe travel is what you've dreamed of and you want to work in a hotel or restaurant somewhere in the world with an international hospitality organization,
department at the Sheraton Gateway.
I was able to network with Deerhurst Resort, which was one of my dream hotels, and I was able to work there last summer and have been offered a position of supervisor.
I actually just met a grad in the hallway that has come back to visit. He's in Winnipeg working, and his company sent him here to train, and he's working for a corporate head office, so he's moving up the ranks quite quickly.
We have employers all across the country, and they come back asking for our best students.
I've worked for other institutions, but I wanted to match myself with an institution that will stay current and will provide the opportunities for our students as they move out into their future careers.
Our curriculum, our faculty, our labs, and the experiences that you will have at Humber will get you prepared for that promise. Then Humber is the place for you. The outlook for jobs in the hospitality industry is extremely positive. The projections state that in the next 10 years, we're not going to have enough people to fill all the jobs that are available in the industry.
Started this program, I thought I could only work in a hotel or a restaurant, but now I know that there are so many more great opportunities out there where you can be specific and dive into different facets of the industry.
One of the best classroom experiences I had was in my hotel market feasibility analysis class, and where we actually got to do a real feasibility study for a proposed hotel. So we had actual industry professionals come out to watch our presentations.
So during my second year, I was able to take a marketing information management course, and during that course we had to do this group consulting project. We were actually partnered with a local company in Guelph, and we were able to do some consulting work for them, looking at a 5-year strategic plan.
One of the fantastic experiences in the Hospitality and Food and Tourism Management program is that you get to experience our on-campus restaurant, PJ's Restaurant. As part of the class, you're working in a restaurant setting. You're working in both the front of house and the back of house. They put you in a team, and you as a team get to come up with your own restaurant concept. It's a great way to get hands-on skills for restaurant operation.
I was interested in hotel and food because of the co-op program. I knew that it was an opportunity to be out in the world and work for 1 full year and make my learning experience much more meaningful.
My co-op allowed me to travel, it allowed me to gain hands-on experience, and it also allowed me to use the teachings that I learned in class and apply them to the real hotel industry.
Attention all food lovers. Ryerson University is introducing a new 1-year master's diploma in dietetics. This innovative program is the first of its kind in Canada, and the curriculum consists of 4 in-class courses and a 45-week practicum placement. This program is offered in partnership with Ryerson School of Nutrition and St. Michael's Hospital, where students will be completing their practicum placement. And because of the 45 weeks of practicum training, graduates of the program are eligible to write the Canadian Dietetics Registration Exam to become registered dietitians. And this could not have come at a better time, because a 2011 report published by the Dietitians of Canada showed that within the next decade, 50% of dietitians across Canada plan to retire. This will lead to a huge shortage of dietitians, and on top of that already staggering number, the proportion of seniors is dramatically increasing, which intensifies the need for dietitians in the area of chronic disease management. And Megan Olmstead, practicum coordinator at the School of Nutrition, confirms this.
So definitely as our population is growing older, those over 65 years of age, there is an increase in dietary related health diseases such as cardiovascular disease, osteoporosis, and cancers. So definitely diet plays a big role.
Being at George Brown has taken me from being a very low-level butcher to a high-end cook in a matter of a couple of years. Seeing other chefs and how passionate they are inspires you to be more passionate and look up to them and try and become one of them.
Being the chair of the advisory committee, I could see on an annual basis the type of student that comes out and the different objectives that we tried to achieve in a meeting a year or two previously. I could see it in the students. And that to me is really where the proof is, and that's why I stay connected to the students.
What we find with George Brown students, that they're really aligned very, very well, and that their professors and advisors, I think, have set them up for success so that they can fit in a very seamless way.